Hello everyone. I hope you guys are following our tutorial videos. In our last video, we saw about the file and folder structure of a module in Magento 2. Today, let's see how to develop a custom module. Let's search for it. Let's select Mage Plaza for a reference. Here they have used Mage Plaza as the vendor folder and Hello World as the module folder. Okay, we shall go to app code inside Magento folder. Already we have vendor folder as Mage Plaza. This was created during our free module installation, right? Okay, inside Mage Plaza, let's create a new folder and name it as Hello World. That is, Hello World is the module name. Next step is to create module.xml file inside etc folder. For a XML file, let's copy some XML file in some other module. Okay, here we have module.xml file. Let's copy this and let's create a new folder inside hello world folder and name it as etc. Okay, inside etc folder, paste that XML file. Okay, copy the content of module.xml file here and paste it inside our module.xml file. Then save the file. Next file is registration.php file. For a PHP file, let's copy a PHP file from this module and let's paste it inside our module. Copy the content which should be inside registration.php file and paste it here. Then save the file. Next step is to enable the module. So this is the command. Open command prompt and go to the Magento root folder and paste the command and enter to know the status of our module. See, we have just created the module. We haven't enabled it. So in the list of disabled modules, there is our newly created Mage Plaza underscore hello world module. Okay. We can either run setup upgrade command to enable our module, or we can also use this command to enable. The status of the modules can also be seen here in the config file inside app etc folder. This is our module name. Let's find the module name inside this file. There is no such a name in this file. So after running commands to enable the module, we will get that module name here in this file. So let's copy this enable command and run in our command prompt. Okay, we enabled the module. Okay, let's again check for the status of all the modules. Now we will have this module in the enabled mode. Okay, see, list of disabled modules, none. Now check the config file inside app etc. See, here we have the module name and its status as 1, which means enabled. Actually here we use this module to implement a new functionality, that is, when we call a URL, a specific message should be displayed. We have already seen a root in Magento is divided into 3 parts: front name, controller name and action name, like this. So it is necessary to create roots.xml file. Since we are going to display in front end, roots.xml file should be created inside front end folder of the etc folder. So create a new folder inside etc and name it as front end. Copy this module.xml file and paste it into front end folder and rename it as roots.xml, and the content of the file should be this. Copy and paste it inside our roots.xml file. Hello world is the front name here, which we will use it in our URL later. Okay. So the next step is to create test.php file inside controller index. For that, create a folder inside hello world folder and name it as controller, and inside controller folder create a new folder and name it as index. So inside index folder we should have a PHP file. So let's copy this registration.php file and paste it inside index folder and rename it to test.php. Okay, copy this content and paste it inside test.php file, then save the file. Okay, here in this URL, hello world is the friend name mentioned in roots.xml file, and then index is the name of this folder, and test is the name of the file or class here. Okay, understand this concept clearly. Okay, we have now created a basic module. Then we have to run all the commands like setup, upgrade, compile, static content deploy, reindex and flush. So this is a short form here. Let's run all the commands as a single command. After this, if we call the URL, then this hello world text will be echoed, that is displayed. Okay, now let's refresh our home page. Copy this part of the URL and paste it after your host name like this. Yes, the hello world text is displayed here. Let's change that text to hello hello. Okay, save the file. For small changes like this, it is enough to run catch a flush command. Okay, now let's refresh the page. Hello hello is displayed now. So this is how a custom module is developed. This is the end of our session. Subscribe to our channel and learn Magento for free, or you could also join our training. In this paid training, you will get dedicated support and guidance, and we will track your progress through status calls. We will give a demo project, and we will also conduct mock interviews that enable you to crack interviews effortlessly. To know more about this paid training, feel free to WhatsApp to this number on screen. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.